files to the dancers, and they have to deal with that. They have to treat it like a music. They basically have to dance to it. How they do it is they start with dubbing. They pretend to speak the language. So you can imagine it's like playback. Like they get the file in a speaker and then they pretend to speak like it's them talking this language. What they know is always like they know what the person is talking about, but they don't know exactly the words, of course. Because we have, for example, now from Gaelic in Ireland to Sorbisch in Germany, or Burgenländisch Kroatisch in Austria, Friuli here in this region. But we recorded like somebody from Sardinia, Sicilia,
Puglia,
Lecce, Bari, Bassano, of course. And the funny thing is, always like with this thing, is that when you start to play with it and when you exchange it, the body becomes a completely different personality, a different character. Because if you would, for example, talk with my language now, or not even with my language, with my voice, I look at your body in a completely different way. And this is the thing we are playing with since many years, actually. It's a pleasure to be here, and it's wonderful. Like, I really love this place. It's fantastic here, and you, in Bassano, you have all these places. But we go, for example, with this. We have just been in Belgium, where we performed on a public space, or we were before in Graz, where it was more like in a kind of castle situation in different squares in the castle. And what else can I say? I think what I personally would like to address to the audience is that we do understand more than we think, even if we do not understand the language. So the body language is often an international, like let's say, it has international connotation, and we do not often have to understand what the other person is saying. One more thing is, when we started to work with that, we recognized that if the dancers are too perfect with this language and they don't know the person, they start to imitate somebody who they don't know. So we, of course, used it also as we went more into an abstract way, and out of just like a conversation or communication as we have it normally, it went also into kind of weird or abstract characters. They're not just like you and me sitting here and have normal conversation. They have also conversations sometimes to the transcendental, I don't know, whatever religion is, or through the space, or through themselves, or they're talking like a weird language where it goes often in a kind of if you think about maybe it has also some gender connotation where you don't know, is it like a man or a woman? Is it even a human being, or is it just a creature, a human? Something, what is human in general? Is it just an organism that is talking?